how to set pictures in gallery as home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, there are two different ways to do this. First, you can touch and hold on the home screen. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. In here, we go down and select the select the right hand side panel. And from here, tap on Wallpapers. In here, there is a section called Gallery, so you can tap on that. And then you can browse through your gallery and select a picture. Then tap on Done. Then tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. So that is the first method. The second method is to open up your gallery app. In your gallery app, you can browse for a picture that you would like to use. And then open up that picture. In here, go to the top and tap on the More button, the three dot symbol. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper. And here we're going to choose Home Screen. If you like, you can also set the wallpaper or set the picture as wallpaper for the lock and home screens. I'm going to select the home screen only and then tap on Done. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.